Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Derrick here with another video, and today we are brake pad burnishing. So in the actual manual that the Hawk HPS pads come in, it says after installing the brake pads, make 6 to 10 brake engagements approximately 30 to 35 miles per hour, applying moderate pressure, and you're not supposed to come to a stop. And then immediately following this, you do 2 to 3 hard engagements at 40 to 45 miles per hour, and then you increase it to sort of race speeds, but I'm going to be on public roads, so I'll try my best to do race speeds. Anyways, and the other thing is, do not drag the brakes, and what that means is basically when people come really slow to a stop and they're sort of on them, they like brake a little bit, but not all the way. Like it's not when you're hard stopping or moderately stopping, like halfway into the brake, but yeah, you also don't want to set off the ABS on this. So, and then after all of this happens, so 6 to 10 brake stops at moderate pressure at 30 to 35, and then 2 to 3 at 40 to 45, and then 6 to 8 times at higher speeds. And then you're supposed to let your car cool down for 15 minutes. So after all of that, your brakes should be good and broken in. So it's like 4 a.m. here, but let's just get it started. And I did brakes and rotors today and had a hell of a time doing it. So I'm gonna try to leave the lights on, which is really distracting to me, but I think from this camera at least you can see me a little bit better in the dark. I don't know if I can do this. Yeah, you can't see me at all. Alright, so 30 to 30. Moderate. And you're not supposed to stop either. 1, 2, 3, 4, person on the street's probably like, what is this guy doing? 5. Maybe it's safer to do it in the neighborhood. 6. 7. Yeah, I don't think you can actually see me. 35. 8. Now it says, so I'll do 10. So that's not really a stop right there. 10. Yeah, it's like really difficult to see out of this. All right, 2 to 3 at 40 to 45. 10. box. That was 2. There's a cop right there. Let's see if he turns around. He probably will turn around. Awesome. Is that another cop? Trying to burnish the brakes. That's not cool. There's a cop following me. There are 3 cops that passed me, so one of them's following me. And I doubt I can go fast or do whatever I'm trying to do with this guy following me. But I'm trying not to break the speed limit at all. And I think he's gone, but we'll see. I think he might have just turned his lights off. Kind of a dick move, but yeah, he's still there. Trying to just do hard stops. It's not really that easy to do this on a public road. Especially at like 3 a.m. Not a good rev match. I hope that's not another cop. But let's go into this neighborhood so I can actually drive a little bit quicker when there's no cops around. Just going back and forth, speeding up and slowing down. Can smell some pad now, that's good. last few steps were, yeah, I think it was just race speed and 6 to 8 times. So I think I've done that. But that should be all I need to do to fully break these pads in. So yeah, that was the burnishing of the pads, and I'll do a follow-up video, obviously, to let everybody know, let you all know how the pads are. So after burnishing the pads, they actually have this weird kind of color on them, which is really cool. But it looks like they're pretty hot here, and it looks like it's done. It's on both the front and the rear, and they both feel pretty hot. So yeah, looks all good. I think we're good to go. That's all she wrote for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.